Hello, my friends. A new month means a new club set. And this is one of those sets that is going to rock your world. Now, I know the jar to stamp was another one of those. The wheelbarrow was another one. Really very general, that kind of stamp sets that you're going to use all the time. Well, guess what? This is another one of those. So I'm very excited about that. Are you ready to see it? Oh, I love it. It is called wreath2stamp, and it is so much fun because it's incredibly versatile. At first, Ken saw it and he's like, isn't a wreath just for Christmas? And I went, oh, no. It's not just for Christmas. It's for year-round use. For example, here it says happy birthday, or it can say warm wishes, or it can say birthday wishes. It says hello. It has this beautiful wreath that can be any color. Then it has heart, it has little leaves, it has flowers, lots of flowers. It has a little acorn, lots of fun goodies. Now, club members, of course your stamp set's already on its way to you, but if you are a die-hard club member, that means you get the stamps and the dies that match. Now, I was trying to count all the dies that I gave you this time. So let's try to count them together. Let's see if I can do this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18 for this big piece. So there's 18 pieces, but it cuts out whatever, 18, 1, 2, 3. It cuts out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 28 pieces just appear. So it cuts out all these different pieces. And that's really fun because sometimes you want to do different colors, you want to do different stamps, you want to do it all different. Now, I have my design team that made these incredible samples. Club members, of course, you get this handy dandy little postcard to keep with it, which is nice. I like to keep my stamps and my postcards together in the storage envelopes that we sell on our website. That way you have everything together. So your dies can go in there, everything can go in there. Let's check out the samples because, you know, these are really what makes it, right? So here's one, warm wishes, and you're gonna open this up. This one's closed with Velcro. How fun is that? Isn't that gorgeous? Warm wishes, perfect for our winter months right now. Ooh, here's a pretty one using our grid die set. Isn't that fantastic? It makes it look like a window. Isn't that gorgeous? Or even a door. Hello, open it up and there's a nice saying on the inside. But I love that grid. See that grid in the back? That just kind of makes the back of the card. Oh, exclusive flip it card time. Warm wishes. That circle fits perfectly on our circle flip its, on our large circle flip its. I love that. Now, I know Christmas is past, but you got to start thinking now for Christmas later, right? Merry Christmas, and look at that fun bow with the stamp and the die as well. I love that. Here's a perfect one for Valentine's Day. Hello, with little hearts on that wreath. Just a note. Isn't that gorgeous with those fun little hearts? Here's a cute one. Hello. Oh, here's a beautiful one. Just stamps. No dies were used in this card. Happy birthday. And look at how fun those stamps are on top of that. Ooh, and here's a beautiful one using foil and embossing. Warm wishes. Now, if I went too fast on any of those samples, don't worry because you can go to our online gallery and see them up close and personal. Also, there's quite a few stamp sets that match this stamp and die set. So you're gonna definitely wanna check out those as well because those are so much fun. Now, club members, of course, Ken gets up extra early on the first of the month and he makes sure those get to the mailbox ASAP for you. Now, if you're not in the club, you need to join, you're missing out. Not only do you get these fun stamps and dies sent to you each month, you can be in the club for as little as $11.95 a month, and that includes the brand new stamp set each month. That's after shipping, that's everything, $11.95. We send you a brand new stamp set. Not only do you get the stamp set of the month, but you also get a 15% discount on our website. You also get anniversary gift cards when you're in the club a whole year. And we have lots of other fun goodies and exciting things coming up. We've also started a new thing called the Golden Ticket. We are throwing in little tickets every certain amount of shipments. We just kind of throw in a couple extra, and it's funny because my team said, how many golden tickets this month? And I told them a number, and they're like, woo, and somebody emailed me back and said, that's very generous. I said, hey, we got to take care of our club members, right? So we have hidden some golden tickets, kind of like Willy Wonka, hidden the golden tickets in your club shipments. If you get one, you get a gift certificate code to go use on our website. So much fun. We have a lot of fun. You have to go check it out. We have more fun things. Also, when we have limited edition products for our club members, on the limited edition products, our club members get a 24 hours advance notice and the ability to purchase 24 hours before the general public. We have so many awesome, fun things for our club members. So make sure you join. It's only $11.95 a month. That includes the stamp set and you get all the wonderful benefits. Thank you so much and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.